Trying to join my friend's party but he gets this error code when inviting me. I can invite him to mine no problem and it works. But it's to help him with a boss fight he's stuck on. Any idea how to fix it?
Diablo error code 316751 has become a cause of frustration and confusion for many gamers in the Diablo gaming community. This error code, which has emerged in recent times, has disrupted the smooth gameplay experience for countless players. Diablo, developed by Blizzard Entertainment, is a highly popular action role-playing game known for its immersive gameplay and challenging quests. However, error code 316751 has raised concerns as it prevents players from accessing the game or interrupts their progress. In this video, we'll delve into the details of Diablo error code 316751, explore its potential causes, and provide possible solutions to help players overcome this vexing obstacle. The cause of Diablo error code 316751 can vary, but common factors include server issues, connectivity problems, outdated game files, conflicting software, or firewall restrictions. These issues can disrupt the communication between the game client and the server, resulting in the error code appearance. Identifying and addressing these causes can help alleviate the occurrence of this frustrating error. Now, let's get to the solutions. These fixes were given by some Reddit users. Hope they help you.
I just logged off and logged back on. It was fixed. So what we had to do was have someone else join party and send invite to the player. It's the code issue. Worked first try.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.